Microsoft PowerPoint has a range of editing features. These features are similar from the other Microsoft software, so if you know them already, you can skip ahead again. You can use the find and replace functions to search for a specific word in your document. You can use the replace function to swap that word with another one. To use this function, select the Home tab and then find the editing group. You can select the find option and it will come up with a find what. You can type your word in and then select find next. If you want to replace a word, select the replace option and type in what you want to find and what you want to replace it with. You can go through each instance of that word and replace it. You can move objects around in PowerPoint very easily. Use your mouse to select an object and then grab the border of it using your left mouse key. Click and hold and you can drag it around. If you want to delete something from your PowerPoint, simply select it with your mouse key and then hit the delete key. You could also highlight a piece of text and hit delete or backspace to get rid of it. If you have deleted something or made a change that is unwanted, you can use the undo and redo function to get rid of it. Simply find the top of your screen and select the backwards arrow, which is undo, or if you want to redo an object, select the redo one. You can also use the keyboard shortcuts. Undo is Ctrl-Z and redo is Ctrl-Y. You can change the language in Microsoft PowerPoint. To see what language you are working in, look at the bottom left of your window. If you want to change the language, you can select Review, and then in the Review tab, find the language group. If you select Language Preference, you'll be able to go in there and change the preferred language or add another language. The spelling and grammar check will check the spelling and grammar of your PowerPoint using the set language. To bring it up, you can hit F7 on your keyboard, or you can find the Review tab and then find the proofing option group and then select spelling. You can then go through mistakes and errors one by one, identifying if you want to change or keep.